What if I told you there's a law school in Bihar named after the greatest strategist India has ever known, Chanakya? A university that has quietly risen through the ranks to become one of the fastest growing NLUs in the country. Yes, I am talking about Chanakya National Law University, Patna, where ancient wisdoms meets modern legal education. From its fierce mooting culture to power-packed placements, this NLU is much more than meets the eye. So, whether you are a CLAT aspirant, a curious parent, or just a college geek, stay tuned as we decode everything you need to know about CNLU Patna. This is the ultimate campus deep dive. Hello everyone, I am Kartika and welcome to another episode of Law School Insights. Chanakya National Law University was founded in 2006 under the Bihar Act. CNLU was set up by the government of Bihar as a national law university and recognized under UGC Section 2F and 12B. The Chancellor is the Chief Justice of Patna High Court, Professor Faizan Mustafa, who's currently serving as Vice Chancellor, bringing distinguished academic legacy. Now let's talk about the academic programs and seats including reservations. CNLU offers 5-year programs such as BA LLB Honours having 69 seats and BBA LLB Honours again having 69 seats. It also provides LLM programs, PG Diploma in specializations like Cyber Law, IPR, Human Rights, PhD and LLG degrees, and for 5-year BLLB and BBLLB programs, CNLU takes admissions through CLAT UG. Reservation policies is as follows. For unreserved category, there are 40% seats. For economically weaker sections, there are 10% seats. For scheduled caste of Bihar, there are 16% seats. Scheduled tribes of Bihar, only 1% seat. Extremely backward classes, 18%. Backward classes of Bihar, 12%. Women of backward classes of Bihar, 3%. 5% horizontal reservation shall be applicable for PWD category candidates. But what about the rankings? In the India Today Law Rankings 2025, CNLU secured 12th nationwide and was first in Bihar, with a notable number 4 rank in Emerging Law Colleges category and 8th among government institutions. In NIRF 2024, it ranked 31st in law across India. IIRF 2025 places it at number 35 in law. Now let's talk about the campus facilities. CNLU's campus spans 18 acres in Mithapur, Patna. Key facilities include academic infrastructure, air-conditioned smart classrooms, computer lab, RFID-equipped central library having 21,000 plus books and e-resources, food court halls, seminar, conference rooms, etc. Residences separate hostels for boys, which is Dr. Rajendra Prasad Hall, and for girls, Gargi Hall, with Wi-Fi, mess, gym, biometric access, laundry, hot water, 24/7 power and security. For health and wellness, there's Sehat Kendra with 24/7 medical support, ambulance, doctor and nurses. For sports and recreation, there are cricket, football, basketball, volleyball courts, indoor games, annual fests such as Urja, CNLU Sports League and Premier League. Other amenities include campus cafe, banking, SBI, Indian Bank ATMs, strict CCTV and backup, universal access design. How is your life going to look in CNLU? Student life at CNLU is vibrant. Active moot courts, legal aid clinics, academic and cultural clubs, committees like Placement Cell, Entrepreneurship Cell, Sports and Fest Organizing Committees, events, moot competitions, legal seminars, cultural nights, and sports tournaments such as CSL and CPL. The fee of CNLU Patna is around 3 lakhs per annum for both BLLB Honours and BBLLB Honours. Interested to know about internships and placements? CNLU's Career Development and Placement Committee organizes training, workshops, mock interviews and brings recruiters on campus. As per the placement data, in 2024 UG placements, 136 companies visited, 110 students were placed, average package was around 10 lakhs per annum and highest was 19 lakhs per annum. Top recruiters include Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank, Supreme Court of India, Huron Consulting, Pearson India and leading law firms like Khaitan & Co, etc. But what should be your rank to get into CNLU Patna? In CLAT 2025 counseling, general category cutoff ranks for BLLB closed around AIR 1398. For BBLLB, it was around AIR 1555. And do you know, Vice Chancellor Faizan Mustafa is a prominent law scholar with experience at Nalsar and NLU Odisha. And that's your comprehensive breakdown of Chanakya National Law University, Patna. From its strong growth in national rankings to robust campus facilities and attracting top recruiters, CNLU is a standout NLU, especially strong in the eastern region. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more college deep dives, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.